Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix error in Delta Force. So what you'll need to do is go to the device manager. So just here, go to the device manager. Then you will need to go to the display adapters, as you can see right here, and make sure those both are updated. So click update driver and just click search automatically for drivers. As you can see, this is the best drivers we have. What you will need to do is go to your Google Chrome or whatever browser that you use, go to NVIDIA official website, select your GeForce, enter, and download the newest drivers. As you can see, GeForce Game Ready drivers, so you will need to download those and update your graphics card. So that's pretty much it. So that's how you fix your graphics drivers outdated in Delta Force.